So today I decided to talk about the future of trade. So with the ongoing dynamics of globalization, more often the question is raised how digital technologies will affect the way we trade. So how much do you know about the future of trade? When talking about the future of trade, I think this is the place to be. So trade now is a lot more data flows across the borders than shipping across the borders. We can assume that now technologies will further reduce the costs of logistics by estimated 5%. And furthermore, the AI, the artificial intelligence, makes logistical route planning way more easy. So shipment trackings help to analyze your routes and thereby reduces logistics costs, and storage robots are making storage way smarter. To summarize, transports become more efficient, more reliable, and way cheaper. So distance is likely to matter less. Moreover, coming to the production aspect, production will be less labor intensive and it might move closer to your home. Future trade will be more inclusive, like especially for micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises. They are now able to access the market from everywhere, and companies in developing countries can get their fair share of world trade. Modern digital technologies are shaping consumer habits. They allow us to customize products, for example, with the new 3D print technology, and more goods can be digitized and transmitted to the internet, like music streaming, ebooks, or for example, Netflix. Those technologies can boost the trade in service. The best example can be seen now during the COVID-19 pandemic. What are we doing now? E-learning, homeschooling, and online legal advice or online consultation. Those are all things that are crucial nowadays. So to conclude my topic, the innovations are creating opportunities the way economies benefit from world trade.